In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again to tap on Font Style and either pick one of those, or to try something more interesting, hit Download More at the bottom and pick a perfect font style for you. Just tap on the best one, hit Download, and tap on Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Now, if you ever wanna go back to your default one, go into exactly the same settings, tap on Default located under System Fonts, and hit Apply button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!